Hi, this is Alan from Businesses to Start on a Shoestring. I've just gone into the Wealthy Affiliate platform. I'm just going to show you around here, explain why it is the number one platform for affiliate marketers. There are a number of features on Wealthy Affiliate which make it extremely powerful to use, and I'll just run through what these are. There is hubs, which is a sort of categorization of your websites, and depending on what grade you join at, you can join at the free level, which means you just get access to training, 5 lessons of training, and you can keep one website indefinitely on the Site Rubix platform. Or you can join at premium level, which is $49 a month, or you can join at premium plus level, which is $99 a month. Now, these prices are significantly discounted if you sign up yearly, and even more so if you sign up at Black Friday, Cyber Monday weekend. So you can basically get the Premium Plus level of membership for $58 a month if you sign up to the yearly payment, and it's something like $41 a month to sign up for the premium. So in terms of value for money, I believe, because I use it, that the Premium Plus level is far better value, because you can keep up to 30 websites on your channel, on your platform. I've actually got 13, and that's plenty to keep on the channel. And you also get, for each website, you get a hub. Let me explain what it is. If we take hubs, and we take the Wealthy Affiliate Black Friday offer, which is one of my websites, then a hub will give you suggestions for articles to write, and it will also give you step-by-step training. So here's the brand, Alan J.E., that's my brand, I can edit it. Website is wealthyaffiliateblackfridayoffer.com. These are the training steps, and you can see that I'm working through the training steps. I've actually over exceeded in terms of articles on the website, but I need to monetize that website, and here's the specific training about getting rolling with your new online business. So this applies to all of the hubs. So every hub that you set up will have particular categories which are identified from keyword research, from Jaxi, which is built into the platform. Jaxi is a keyword research tool. And then within each category, you will have a number of articles that are suggested. So it's potential posts for keyword research, the beginner's guide to keyword research. Let me just click on that one. That one's come up with an error. So let me, probably because of that apostrophe there. Yes, this is better. So this is how to use keyword research tools to find profitable niches, and this has actually been the subject of a post by me. You can tell that because it's got L written on there, meaning list, that I've actually listed it, and I've actually done a blog post about it. And so you can see that for every website you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 categories, and then another 3, 6, 9, 10 suggested posts, and then you've also got other niche research ideas where you can go to and investigate blog topics and ideas, unique content ideas, best of / top 10 ideas, seed keyword suggestions, long tail keywords, high opportunity, low competition keywords, top brands in the industry, sub niches, future trends, audience and customer research, resource curation and learning, interactive and QA content research. So all these are specific to that particular website and that particular hub. So for each of the websites you've got a hub which suggests articles for you, does keyword research for you, and actually very powerfully guides you on your training. And then in terms of websites, we've got a site manager, so I'll just show you that briefly. This is where I've got 12 websites. So we've got creating multiple streams of passive income, businesses to start on a shoestring, Alpus project management, Alpus fitness products, Alan J online, that's promoting Wealthy Affiliate, Alpus videos, natureandmountains.com, a travel website, Sell My House Quickly, online marketing software is a comparison site of lots of different online marketing software, is exactly what it says. Asset management, that's property website. OLSP is about OLSP system, a make money online system, and Wealthy Affiliate Black Friday offer is exactly what it says. Black Friday offer from Wealthy Affiliate, where you can get significant discounts even on the very reasonable rates that you get from Wealthy Affiliate. So within this platform you can also search for and register domains. These are ones that I've got registered at Wealthy Affiliate. You can buy them within the platform. Feedback, you can get feedback on your websites, and you can request comments from other community members on your websites. So I've done this on all of the websites. I need to create some credits, so I need to offer comments. I can offer comments to other people and create credits for myself to then request comments from other people. So here's one. I then view this website and give comments about discussion about the topic, experience with the topic, opinion about the topic, and I put these here and submit them for the website owners review. So this is Exploring the World, Unforgettable Educational Travel Experiences for Kids in Full-Time RVing Families. Looks like an interesting website. So I can do that to gain credits from which I can then ask for comments from other people. These are settings about various things that I'm interested in, so for example affiliate products, and within the platform you can promote suggested affiliate programs. That you don't have to take them, you can identify your own, but Wealthy Affiliate actually suggests things that are suitable for your websites, and these are some live ones here. Be Live Hotels, Find My Pass, Brussels Airlines, Bots Live Training, Volusion, Handsome Guy, Yahoo Small, and so on. You just choose your niche and then you go and see what affiliate programs are recommended from within the Wealthy Affiliate platform. So just going to the affiliate program details. You can actually make a living from promoting Wealthy Affiliate, because if you invite a new member to join, you earn $23.50 premium monthly recurring, or you can earn $235 for a premium yearly recurring. You can earn $100 plus per premium sign up, $46.50 for Premium Plus monthly recurring, so that's the level I'm on, Premium Plus, where you can keep more websites, up to 30 websites on the platform. You earn $320 for a Premium Plus yearly recurring. You earn $200 for a Premium Plus sign up, and then for Premium Plus accelerated monthly recurring, you get $140, Premium Plus accelerated yearly recurring, $1,200, Premium Plus Accelerated sign up $400. So this is, debatably the best affiliate training in the world, because you've got comprehensive training from Kyle and Carson, who are the founders of Wealthy Affiliate, plus numerous other high-ranking members. When I say high-ranking, I mean that ranking is given to each of the members. So I'm ranked 57, so I've been consistently in the top 100 recently, and this is as a result of the algorithm that Wealthy Affiliates keeps, which monitors your activity and ranks each person who's on the platform. So by being active, you can actually increase and improve your rating. So what I would suggest is, don't take my word for it. I tried it out for free before I signed up, and you can try it out for free and keep that training. Obviously, you undertake 5 lessons of training, which gives you an idea what Wealthy Affiliate is all about, and then you can keep a website indefinitely for free until you might decide to sign up for Wealthy Affiliates for one of the levels of program, either the Premium, $49 a month, or the Premium Plus, $99 a month. But you can get these figures discounted significantly by signing up to the yearly amounts. Let's just show you. If you want to promote Wealthy Affiliate, then you get all this promotional material here, which is available, and you can reuse that on your own websites and so on. And I should find here a comparison of I haven't got a comparison here just at the moment, but there's a comparison of each of the features of Wealthy Affiliates, which shows quite clearly what you get in Premium level and what you get in Premium Plus. And if you can afford it at all, I'd recommend going to Premium Plus, not because it gets me a commission, but just because it gets you better value. But don't take my word for it, just try it out yourself. And I'd recommend, if you've got any questions, just come back to me with any questions, and we can clarify them. And I look forward to, these are my sales figures. So I look forward to seeing you on Wealthy Affiliate. If you want any help with your journey, what niche to choose, or what sort of ambitions you've got, then by all means contact me. You'll find the details in the description below this video, and we'll look forward to helping you on your Wealthy Affiliate journey. Cheers for now.